Over 47 million passengers fly in and out of the Mexico City International Airport every year. That's why it's top priority to secure civil aviation, passengers, infrastructure, and operations against illegal activities. Faced with this responsibility, Airport Management and Security Department have created 2 new airport management centers, one in each terminal, installing 2,300 cutting-edge surveillance cameras and an advanced video management system. A control room has been set up to prevent and detect security breaches, to quickly pass useful information to the federal police. The Axon Next VMS, the Intelligent Video Management Platform, enables users to perform unique video analysis tasks and optimizes search functions. It includes special analytic tools, such as 3D interactive maps, license plate recognition, MomentQuest forensic search, time compressor, people detection and monitoring, camera tampering analytics to prevent vandalism and sabotage, motion detection, facial recognition, and much more. All of these tools aim to ensure the safety and security of passengers and facilities at Latin America's busiest airport.